Indri, I know people talk about keeping the environment clean, but honestly, I feel like individual efforts won't make a difference. With large corporations polluting on a huge scale, what can we really do?
I get that it can feel overwhelming, but individual actions actually add up. The Environmental Protection Agency, or EPA, found that if each person in the US reduced their waste by just 1 pound per week, it would prevent more than 200 million pounds of trash from going to landfills every year. That's a huge impact if everyone contributes.
But even if we reduce waste, isn't pollution already too big to control? I mean, the air quality in cities is terrible. It seems like nothing we do can change that.
I understand why you'd think that, but local efforts do help. According to World Health Organization or WHO reports, cities that promote green space, cleaner public transport, and stricter emission standards actually see significant improvements in air quality. For example, in Mexico City, air quality improved by nearly 30% after implementing green policies.
Okay, maybe cleaner air is possible with policies, but what about other issues like plastic pollution? Plastic is everywhere, and recycling doesn't seem to be enough to handle it.
True, recycling alone isn't enough, but reducing plastic usage has a big impact. The United Nations Environment Programme, or UNEP, found that reducing single-use plastics could cut plastic waste by up to 40% by 2030. Countries like Sweden and Japan that prioritize recycling and reduce plastic have drastically lowered their plastic waste.
That's great, but even if we reduce waste and pollution, what about climate change? Isn't that too big of a problem for us to make a difference?
Climate change is definitely a hug issue, but every effort counts. A study by NASA shows that reducing emissions even a little can help lower global warming rates. They found that if every country worked to cut emissions by just 15%, we could see significant change in the pace of global warming, which means our choices do matter.
But don't these changes take a long time? It feels like it could be decades before we see any impact from cleaner habits or reduced emission.
Some results do take time, but others happen faster than you might think. The National Geographic reported that when coastal communities work to reduce pollution and clean their beaches, they saw positive impacts on local wildlife in just a few years. Plus, people started feeling prouder and more connected to their environment, which encouraged others to join in.
I hadn't thought of it like that. I guess if everyone pitches in, even small efforts can start to show results.
Exactly. It's about creating a ripple effect by maintaining a clean environment. We're not just helping ourselves, but also future generations. Every bit we do now sets up a healthier planet for them.
Alright, you've convinced me. I think I will start making more of an effort to reduce waste and be mindful of my impact.
That's awesome, Rahma. Let's start with small steps, and together we can make a real difference.